Hello again, freelancer. I'm Paula from the Ren team, and today I'm here to give you a quick reminder. If you're thinking about becoming a freelancer, you've probably heard that you need a digital certificate. This certificate is like an electronic ID that you'll need to access any procedure you have to do with the tax agency, Social Security, and other entities you'll have to deal with from now on. It's a very simple process. You'll only need to verify your identity through a video or in person. Come on, I'll explain it to you. Let's go. The first step will be to search for digital certificate on Google. It's a process that won't even take us 10 minutes. It's very fast. So we're going to enter the website of the Royal Mint of Spain, and here it explains the different ways, but we're going to focus on video identification so you don't have to leave home. So let's click on Get Certificate. The only important thing is that we'll have to install the software beforehand, the software indicated by the Royal Mint of Spain. So we follow the instructions, it explains which browsers are compatible and so on. And we go to the download area and we download it, and once that's done we can move on to step 2, requesting the certificate. Basically here we put in our details, ID number, last names, email address. And then when we click send request, we'll get a code in our email through which we can verify our identity, the request code. We put in all the details again and so on. And then we'll receive the instructions we need in order to verify our identity. The only thing to note is that this service does cost $2.99 plus any applicable taxes. But the certificate itself doesn't have any cost. So once we complete all the video verification steps and so on, we'll be able to download the certificate, and that's it. It's very fast, as you can see. Once you've completed this essential step on your journey as a freelancer, you have very few left. Remember to subscribe to this channel so you don't forget any of them. See you in the next one.